and to just demonstrate it, I'm trying to export PDFs or InDesign documents in books, but let's just do documents for now. These are automatically created documents in many cases. I had a scripting pipeline that my company used since like 2010 to till now to do this successfully through InDesign 5 right up to InDesign 2019, and later it just exports really low quality, and I can't figure out what the problem is. And when trying to so I've updated to InDesign 2021, and what I have here is a document with some vector graphics that are inserted, and also some medium and very high resolution JPEG. So this JPEG is like 6 megabytes or something like that. It's pretty big anyway, and it's shrunk down. And so what drives me nuts here is if I go to, and I'm off screen here, just go to File, Adobe PDF Presets, High Quality Print. So, and I'm just going to call this Sample Chapter Manual.pdf. I'm not going to change anything here, but I guess some things to point out is this is the default like high quality print. Compression is automatic maximum, and we're downsampling still to 300 ppi. Blah blah blah. This all looks fine. So if we export, we get a file. Takes a minute, I guess, longer than I expected. And so the resulting file is 875 kilobytes. And off screen, and it looks great. This looks fantastic. The vector graphics came out really nice. Basically, this is what I'm hoping for. Now let me show you the script I have. Of course, this is actually in a really big system, but this is sort of a small piece that I pulled out. Is we're going to grab the high quality print preset, which is the same one we just used. We're going to get the path to the current script, and then open up that same file we just worked with. We're going to make an output version called .pdf, and we're just going to export it as a PDF type. So we have other issues with interactive PDFs, but for now let's just make it print PDF. We're going to put it to that file. We're not going to pop up the dialog box with settings, and we're going to use that preset, and then we're going to close the documents. This is, I think, pretty much the minimal repro to export a document as a high quality print PDF. So I'm going to save it, make sure that that's done, run it, and things are happening. And so what do we get? We got a document that is the same size as when we did manually, and lo and behold, the same quality. Amazing. Here's the problem. Let's run that exact script again with no changes. Things happen, blah blah blah. And now we get a document out that's 219 kilobytes and looks like total junk. And if I repeatedly export, I will keep getting this junk. If I re-export manually, it'll be good again until the next, for one export after that. Most of the time. I found this to be extremely non-deterministic, and this is a pipeline that renders 10 or 20 documents in a row, and so we can't be having the user manually intervening. So there's some sticky setting that's not sticking sometimes, or something, and this all just used to work, and now it doesn't, and it hasn't for years, I guess, and I'm out of ideas about what to do. So any help would be greatly appreciated.